Hello everyone and welcome, and today I'm going to be doing a review on Ask AI. Now it's like ChatGPT, like DeepSeek also, and the rest of the chat AI out there. So AI assistants. So let's look at it. I asked it, what are you? And it gives, when you ask a question, type the question, you have to scroll down to get your answer. Then you can also jump to video, organic search results, you can share, you can copy, you can send as email, attach your voice. So it says that Chat Ask AI is an advanced AI search engine designed to provide accurate and detailed information based on real life facts, scientific knowledge, and authoritative sources. Its primary function is to answer questions by analyzing data and generating responses that reflect the most current understanding of various topics as of April 10, 2025. So you can see it's very current. It utilizes large language models, LLMs, to process natural language inputs and deliver coherent, contextually relevant answers. These models are trained on vast databases, enabling Ask AI to understand complex queries and provide informative responses across a wide range of subjects. So it is really, really good. It incorporates self-learning through unsupervised training method allowing it to improve over time as it interacts with more data and user queries. Additionally, it can adapt its response based on the context provided in each interaction, making it a more personalized and relevant AI. In summary, Ask AI is a sophisticated AI tool aimed at enhancing information retrieval and user engagement through advanced natural language processing capabilities. I ask a question and you can see it provide a lot of even videos and stuffs are connected to the question. You can see more videos on YouTube and so many TikTok. On TikTok mostly here. If you want more videos, click on more videos. Then you can see in-depth search, web search result on the question, what are you? You can see LinkedIn, BuzzFeed, so many. So let's find out the pros and cons. What's the advantage over others? We're looking at the advantage over other AI assistants. So let us see. He showed me videos of them. Now, advantages of Ask AI over other AI assistants. You can see AI assistants such as Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa are designed to help users perform tasks. Now, what advantage over other AI assistants is that it has advanced language understanding, complex task management, enhanced learning capabilities, multimodal interaction, proactive assistance, integration with external systems, yes, and robust problem-solving skills. In summary, as AI's capabilities extend beyond those of traditional AI assistants by offering advanced language understanding, autonomous task management, enhanced learning abilities, multimodal interaction, proactive assistance, seamless integration with external systems, and robust problem-solving skills. So you can see more. Whenever you ask a question, you get much more than you asked for. Alright, so let's ask the last question. What are your pros and cons? Okay, let's see. Now, now the pros and cons are better safety features for the pro, superior gas mileage and more storage, while for the con it's expensive. What is this? Sorry, is this a totally different answer? Well, I've noticed something about this Ask AI. When you ask a question, if you're not very specific, like the way I just put this question, I'm going to give you a lot of answers. For example, give me the pros and cons of using large language models, with the pros and cons of whatever this is supposed to be vibe. And now, pros and cons of getting a master's degree. You can see it doesn't actually understand the question like that, so I have to be more specific. So I've specified it. What are the pros and cons of using Ask AI? Alright, user-friendly interface, advanced natural language processing, free access, customizable chatbot integration capabilities, AI-powered writing tools, proactive customer support features, and data security compliance are the pros. Then for the cons, limited conversation options, learning curve for new users, as you can see, account learning, dependence on internet connectivity, potential integration challenges, cost consideration for advanced features, reliance on data quality, and privacy concerns regarding data storage. So, and the probability that the answer is correct is about 95%. It calculates probability for you. So it's as simple as that. When you're ready for, give it a try. It's up to date as of now, April 10, 2025.